When starting a new session with your Silhouette machine or using a new material, we recommend performing a test cut to make sure your cut settings are correct before cutting an entire project. To perform a test cut, have your project ready with your material loaded into the machine and your blade or tool inserted. Go to the Send tab. At the bottom of the Send panel, just above the Send button, you will see Generate Test Shape and Send Test. First, select the material settings you want to test. Once your settings are selected, click Generate Test Shape. By default, the test shape will be placed in the upper left corner of the media. You can use this default placement or click and drag the test shape to another location within the cutting area. When positioning your test cut, try to avoid areas where your actual project will be cut. This allows you to make adjustments and perform additional test cuts without affecting your project. If you are using a machine with 2 tool chambers, the test cut will be performed using the currently selected tool. You can change which tool you are testing by selecting the other tool holder. Just be sure that the correct settings are assigned to the selected tool holder. Depending on which tool holder you have selected, tool holder 1 or tool holder 2, the test shape will change to match the tool being tested. Once the test shape is in your desired position, click Send Test. Your Silhouette machine will automatically move the material into position and perform the test cut using the current settings. After the test cut is complete, check the material to make sure it cut properly. For a standard blade, a successful test cut will allow the square to release easily from the triangle. When testing a craft blade or rotary blade, the test shape is slightly different. A successful test cut will allow the triangle to release easily from the surrounding material. If you need to make adjustments to your cut settings, move the test shape to another area of the material and perform another test cut. You can also delete the test shape and generate a new one if needed. If you are using Silhouette Web, you have access to a more advanced test cut feature. Set up your test cut the same way you would for a standard test cut. Then select Test or Modify Settings. Here, you can adjust your cut settings and choose between 2 different test cut options, Linear and Matrix. The linear option allows you to test a series of adjustments in a linear progression. You can choose to perform 3, 5, or 7 test cuts. The center test cut uses your current settings, while the surrounding test cuts adjust the selected setting up and down in increments. This allows you to quickly compare different settings and determine which one produces the best cut. The Matrix option creates a grid of test cuts that allows you to test both blade depth and force. Moving up and down through the matrix adjusts the blade depth, while moving left and right adjusts the force. The center test cut represents your current settings. The test cuts surrounding the center adjust the blade depth and force in different combinations, allowing you to compare multiple settings at once. You can choose a 3x3, 5x5, or 7x7 matrix depending on how many settings you want to test. This advanced test cut feature is currently only available in Silhouette Web. Performing a test cut can save both time and material by helping you find the correct settings before starting your entire project. Taking a moment to test your settings can help ensure that your cut jobs perform the way you expect, saving you from discovering the wrong settings after you've already committed an entire sheet of material. Check out some of our other videos for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!